Good morning, everybody. Welcome to No Risk, No Farm. My name is Leo Risk, and today is an exciting day. We are waiting for a customer to come and pick up some hay. We made a little bit of hay last year and sold quite a bit already. And today will be, I think, the last pickup. So come along and see how the day goes. We live in South Manitoba, and today we have about minus 9 degrees Celsius outside. What might it be in Fahrenheit though? I didn't grow up with Fahrenheit, so it might be minus 572 or so. Sounds about right. And because of that, we have to always plug in the tractor. Yeah, it's a diesel engine, and it wouldn't start without plugging it in. So overnight we have to plug it in to get it going in the morning. Yeah, yesterday I had to prepare the driveway here for the truck, and we got a decent amount of snow this winter. Nothing too crazy, but last winter was for sure different. Yeah, but this winter was all right. About maybe 20 centimeters, so that would be about 8 inches or so. Yeah, and I'm not quite sure what type of truck will come, so I have to be prepared for different types. Yeah, so I cleaned it as good as possible. I think it will work. If not, we have to improvise somehow. So the truck arrived on time, and it was quite a big one. The trailer holds up to 34 bales. Yeah, the driver didn't have any problems to get around the corner, so it turns out I cleaned enough the day before. Actually, the tractor had a little bit of problems with the traction because of the snow, and the back was a bit light when the bale was on the fork. But after a while, figured it out, and we were able to load it. So yeah, that went pretty smooth. There was a little bit of maneuvering with the tractor and also with the truck at the end. So that it's a pretty tight corner here, but yeah, the driver did a very good job, and each maneuver brought it, the truck about half a foot further away from the pole, so that was pretty good. And we are happy that it worked out so good. I have a little bit hay left here for my own cattle, so that they are not hungry in the winter and in the upcoming spring. This barn is getting empty though, and I can show you what we have in mind with this barn when it's empty. I will clean it out today completely, so that we are able to move on with our next project here. So basically what we have here is I don't know, maybe 15 bales left or so in this barn, and then in the other barn some more. We have a plan for this barn, and we bought a sawmill, and we would like to put it up here. So it's on the roof, and also the boards and all the stuff that's coming out of the sawmill will be on the roof, and we'll be able to dry it nicely. And the second thing that goes into here is our new wood splitter. So both machines have to be assembled yet. We didn't assemble them. Both are waiting for us, that we have a little bit of a time spot to do that. Last year in the fall, we prepared a little bit here already. These barns were used for hogs before we bought the farm. I mean, quite a while ago. They were used for hogs, and about 150 hogs were in one of these barns here. And by the time they cleaned out the manure, the ground was below level, I should say, and that caused an issue actually in the springtime when the melting season was here. So the water actually started to run into these barns, and the last fall we put in some gravel here and lifted the ground a little bit, so that now it's supposed to be dry here. The bales we store always on pallets, at least we try, so that they are not getting moldy underneath, or not that much. And I think we brought the ground up about a foot or so, and now it's pretty dry. I think it's doing the trick. So these bales are mainly alfalfa bales. We seeded them 2 years ago, and it was 75% alfalfa and 15% Timothy and 10% clover. So it's a pretty nice mix, and our cattle like it, and our customers also happy with it. So that's at least what we are getting as a feedback. Let me show you how the hay looks like. We have some stuff here on the ground that was from one of the bales, and it's actually pretty nice. It's still green. It dried pretty well, and it's still lots of leaves on it, so from the alfalfa and stuff, even some flowers here. So our cows like it, and as I said, the customers are also happy. It's pretty nutritious. We need about, right now with our cattle, we need about 10 bales a month. So, yeah, considering that, I did some math here and sold the leftovers. We have about 70 acres in hay right now, so it's not that much, but it's still producing more than we need right now. And yeah, we're happy to share it with some customers and make a little bit of money to help the operation here. Yeah, that's what we got today. So a little bit later today I will clean up this barn and move the remaining bales into the other barn to make room for for the sawmill and for the wood splitter. Now that the bales are sold and the rest of the bales is moved to the other barn, now we can actually see how to set up everything. We have a pretty good concrete pad here in the front of this barn. I think it goes till about here, so that gives us enough room to put the sawmill, and it will actually help with the sawdust, and it makes it easier to clean up. Of course we have to move all this stuff and find another place for it, and on that side of the barn we will probably have the log splitter, and it makes it easier to access with a tractor in case we need to move logs and the pallets with the firewood and stuff. That makes it easier. Yeah, and my plan is to open this wall and to have some sort of log table here, so that I can bring in the logs with the tractor on that side and then roll it onto the sawmill table. So that's kind of the idea. We'll see how it goes. We will take you along for sure if you're interested. And that's it for today. I appreciate that you joined us, and if you like that type of content and would like to see us more often, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will take you along as we develop our farm here. Join us at No Risk, No Farm. See you next time, and God bless you.